Right now, AI businesses are absolutely exploding. And in this video, I'm going to show you a new AI business model that almost nobody besides me are talking about on YouTube. And it's called AI drop servicing. First of all, what is AI drop servicing? So you're selling a service, but instead of doing everything manually yourself, or by finding some freelancer or another human being who's going to actually deliver that service, could be graphic design, could be web development, could be video editing, could be marketing services. You actually use AI tools to fulfill these services and sell it to a client. Section number 2, why this business model is growing fast. There's actually 3 big reasons why AI drop servicing is becoming one of the best and beginner-friendly AI business models right now. So first of all, businesses want AI, but they don't know how to use it, okay? Now, that's a fact. Like if you speak to an average business owner in developed countries, let's say US, UK, Australia, and Western Europe, right? An average business person is starting to think that, okay, AI is this big thing, it's not a fad, okay? How can I integrate it into my business? Maybe I can optimize my customer service, maybe I can get more email leads, maybe I can get more phone leads and stuff like that. What kind of tools can I use to optimize my business, get more sales, save costs and stuff like that? The reality is most business owners know ChatGPT and can do basic research on it. But when it comes to, like I said, chatbot integrations, when it comes to creating videos, creating ads and all that kind of stuff, this actually needs proper due diligence, research, understanding, and knowing the right tools in the first place, because there's 10,000 AI tools these days. Like I know the best tools, but like an average person on the street has absolutely no clue which tool to use for what. Now let's talk about the economics, and it is great. Because AI does most of the work, actual margins are very, very good. For example, most of the services that you're going to be looking to sell going to be between $300 to $1,500, maybe $2,000, pushing it to the limit, okay? Your cost is usually very low because you don't have humans. Most of the work is done with AI. And delivery takes hours, not days, because it can even take minutes. And here's the thing, you don't have to tell your clients that you're using AI to fulfill services. Now, another thing is, the third reason is still low competition. I mean, it's not like very low competition, but as compared to traditional agencies, the competition in AI agencies and AI service providers is still really, really low. This is just the beginning. There's going to be 10 times more AI agencies and AI businesses in the next few years, okay? You're still early, and if you want to start an AI business, I'm telling you, AI drop servicing, hands down, in my opinion right now, is the best option. Most beginners think that AI businesses require coding, automation experience, building apps, complex tech setups. The reality is right now, a lot of the tools are so good that actually beginner who's never had AI business could start an AI business. And by the way, if you seriously consider to start your own online business, I actually got a 3 months mentorship program. All you gotta do is go on my YouTube channel, click on this link, which leads you to a Google form, and there is an application for it. Fill all of the application, and if I think that it's a good fit between you and me based on your answers, I'm gonna be in touch with you, and I can help you to build your online AI business. Now, let's get back to the video. So, section number 3, the best AI drop servicing niches right now that you may want to consider. And like I said, some of these have still extremely low competition. For example, AI content repurposing. It is actually super simple. There are tools where you upload someone's long form video, podcast, wherever, and it will chop it into shorts. There's like 5 or 10 tools like that, short form clips, reels, TikToks, carousel posts. There's tools that will create you like blog posts in just a few minutes. Second, AI email chat support service. It's very important to have good customer service, to have good fast response rates. And for some of the small businesses, it's hard to do that. So if we come with a solution saying, look, we will streamline your email and chat support and hook it up to AI. A lot of people think it's a great service, and a lot of people are signing up for that. There's literally probably 10 million businesses that are still to install this in their business. So the opportunity for this is just absolutely huge, and it is really not crowded just yet. Next up is AI blog writing and SEO. So you can offer AI SEO for these tools, ranking inside these tools. Small businesses, right? They want to rank in these new AI search tools. You can offer that as a service. Moving on to the next niche, AI lead generation and outreach using AI. So you want to find leads, research them, generate personalized emails, automate follow-ups, and a lot of other tools. Clay, Apollo, ChatGPT, Quicklines AI. There's a high demand because every business owner needs leads. And now moving to the next niche, AI video editing. Here's what you can do. Cut videos, add captions, B-roll, color grading, repurposing clips. So tools like Runway, Descript, CapCut, Opus Clips, Sora 2, Leonardo AI. I've actually used every single one of these tools. Moving on to section number 4, how to actually start AI drop servicing. Follow these steps to get started. So first of all, you want to pick just one niche, okay? Don't try to do everything. Choose only one niche and focus becoming good at it, good at choosing the tools, good at being able to fulfill a service for somebody. Step number 2, learn 2 free tools for delivery for that specific niche. You need to know the ones that matter in your niche. Example, content repurposing, Opus Clip plus ChatGPT plus Kano, Outreach, Clay, ChatGPT, blog writing, ChatGPT, Claude Surfer. There is a bunch of different tools, but you need to know the ones that are needed in your niche. Step number 3, create a simple email offer. This is just an example, okay? I help businesses repurpose long-form videos into daily shorts using AI, or I help small businesses automate customer support using AI templates and workflows. Like I said, in some of the cases, mentioning AI is very, very important. In other cases, mentioning AI is not important or even bad. So if this service can be done without AI, you may want to not mention it. For example, this one, repurposing long-form videos into daily short-form content using AI, you may want to remove AI, for example, okay, because it doesn't add any value. But in the second approach, I help small businesses automate customer support using AI templates and workflows. Here, AI is actually an added benefit, okay? Now, step number 4, build a simple one-page website or portfolio. This is really important. What you want on that portfolio or that website, your offer, who you help, exactly the type of business, the type of person, why it works, why you will help them, what the client gets, and a call to action. Book a call, email me, stuff like that. Step number 5, get clients using simple outreach. So method number 1, direct outreach. So DMing businesses, 20 to 30 businesses a day. That can be done, of course, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and similar kind of platforms. Now, method 2, free samples. This is very, very, very important. One of the most converted options is to either email or DM somebody saying, this is what I offer. Can I create you a free sample? Okay, with AI tools, creating samples are actually typically quite quick and easy and cheap. And method number 3 is approaching local businesses. These can be gyms, real estate agents, dentists, coaches. You can do a walk-in, you can call, you can drop in some flyers, and you can actually send them some emails as well. If you live abroad in another country and you want to target like US clients or UK clients or whatever, Email marketing and cold calls, of course, is the best. If you have local businesses in your area, you can even pop in and just be like, look, I've got this great AI knowledge. I can help your business with getting more clients, getting more leads. Have a very direct offer. If you walk into someone's door, just be like, here's the value for them. You have like 30 seconds or 60 seconds to pitch to somebody, and they're gonna want you to go get out if they're not interested. Okay, so pitching face to face is super effective, but it's only if you live locally and you have a lot of potential clients in your local area. Step number 6: deliver with AI and human refinement. So your workflow is gonna be this: get client requirements and assets, super important. Generate drafts using AI, the first versions using AI, then improve them manually if there is any issues by improving the prompts or redoing some actions, or asking your freelancer to do it if you're going to have a freelancer. And then once you're happy with the results, deliver final polished results to your clients. Ask for feedback. If there's any problems, just repeat the same process. Moving on to section number 5, how much you can charge. Realistic pricing. AI content repurposing, $300 to $800 a month. AI email support, $400 to $1,200. AI outreach, $500 to $2,000. AI video editing, $400 to $1,500 a month, and it could be more. Now, AI automations, this is where people are really paying a lot more money. It's more technical. Automating someone's business, that can actually be a lot of money. And like I said, up to $2,500, but it could be a lot more. If you find not like a tiny small business, but like a medium-sized business, and you automate a meaningful part of their business, you could be looking at $10,000, $20,000. And finally, section number 6, why AI drop servicing is the best AI beginner business model right now. With AI, a lot of this stuff can be done purely with no employees. It's a true one-person business. So AI drop servicing, easy to start, high margins, no coding, low competition. Yes, still competition is low. Flexible delivery, helps real businesses, and it builds real skills for you. Because if you're operating these tools, you will know how to create ads for yourself. You will know how to send better offers and stuff like that. So watch my other videos about AI drop servicing. Continue watching my channel. Continue following what I'm doing, because I'm going to show you some of the best money-making opportunities with AI for the next year. And finally, thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in this playlist next.